Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a new segment on my channel called Stina Tries. It's where I'm going to be trying new hairstyles, new just things in general, because I'm not an expert. A lot of you guys are not either, so I just thought it'd be fun or funny to try. So guys, I just washed my hair actually a couple of days ago, right? So I was happy with it just being in shambles like it is. It's fine. However, Babe and I have to travel to Indiana, and we actually have to drive. A lot of you guys may know that he is a jazz musician, and we had to drive his instrument up there. So I wanted to do something where I was a little more put together, if that makes sense. So let's try these crochet braids. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, comment down below if you want me to try any other styles, because I will definitely be starting some. So to start with, like I said, and my hair was just washed like 2 days ago, so it is fine. So what I want to do, I wanted to do crochet braids with a twist, okay? So I want to do crochet braids, but I want to have just a little bit of leave out as well, just because I wasn't all the way comfortable with like closing up my hair with the crochet braids, just because I don't really like that look. I have to find a way to close it up with the look that I like. But you guys, quick little length check again. You guys, my hair is really growing. I will be doing a video on how I'm getting my hair to this length and what I am doing coming up shortly. But yeah, so I chose a hair actually that I already had that I needed to use up. So that's why I kind of chose this style, but something to blend in with my natural hair. So I am going to do crochet braids with leave out. Right now I am just starting to braid like my braid pattern. Now braiding is not my strong suit at all. Like, I am not a good braider. I can just braid if it's going to be covered up. So that's my leave out. My hair is just braided in the back. I am also going to pin it around so it won't be hanging. That's my leave out on the side, just because I wanted this look to look as natural as possible. So I found a suitcase that just had a ton of different types of hair. So I'm going to be using this Model Glance Braid Water Wave. And I had like 4 or 5 of these in there. So I'm going to be using that. But also something I got at Amazon. I tried this eucalyptus. It's the OK brand. And it's just black Jamaican castor oil. So I'm going to be trying this in my hair as well. I should do a separate video on that. I heard it's really, really good. I also got the Haitian kind as well. Sac passe to my Haitians. Y'all know I am Haitian. But yeah, so I want to try both of them, but you know, obviously not at the same time. So I'm just going to put this on my scalp and also kind of in between the braids, just to make sure it gets all over my scalp and my hairline. So now that it is all over it, I'm also going to massage it really good just to soak it in so it doesn't just like rub off if I sit down somewhere. And I'm also going to bobby pin the end of my braids up. Now, if I had been thinking, I would have just sewed it down. But you guys, please keep in mind that we actually just moved, so I only know where about 10% of my hair stuff is, which is why I'm doing this style anyway. But this is the hair open. Now it comes in the little, you know, pieces, but they're a little too thick for me. It doesn't look realistic. It doesn't look very natural. So I'm going to be taking each piece and breaking it down to about 5 or 6 pieces. Now, if you want a shorter style, you can definitely cut these in half. That will definitely maximize how much you're going to use. I'm not going to do that. I want it kind of long, even though I ended up cutting it, but I also want it very somewhat thin. I don't like super thick crochets, and with this hair anyway, a little bit goes a long way. You can use just a little bit and it's going to end up looking super thick. So I just kind of separate it like that, and then at the end I put like oil and mousse and all that, and it kind of gives that wave back. But yeah, this is how I do mine, so they don't come out too thick. So I am sure that most of you all know how to do crochet braids by now. I'm sure everybody in the world does. This video is just more so you can see kind of how I did mine. But if you don't, you're just gonna loop your hair, stick it in this crochet needle that is just having the hardest time focusing, and then you are going to stick the closed um, needle in your hair. You're gonna close it just like that. Stick that in your hair, and you can see, like, to get it out, basically I slid the hair down just to show you how easy it opens. But once you do 2, 3, 4, it was super simple to do. You can see I already have about 5 pieces in there, and not only am I separating them, but I'm also using really tiny pieces, and I am double knotting them just to make sure that they stay in. And these stayed in really well. I basically had to cut them and untie them to take them out, which was easy as well. But yeah, I had no problem with any slipping out. So I don't know if you guys are like me, but whenever I'm doing my hair, I'm like, how's this gonna look? But I started to see a vision, y'all. I got happy, so I was like, okay, let me get the rest going. And I was trying really hard not to make it too thick, y'all. That was my concern with this, because I see some crochet styles and I'm like, how are you holding your head up? That is just a lot of hair. And I know some people like 2, 3, 4 bags, well, 4, 5, 6 bags, but y'all, I didn't want that many. I used maybe 2.5 bags, and that's it. And that's only because I started getting tired, so I started using like bigger pieces. But yep, so I'm gonna let you see me put it all in and turn the music back on. So once again, you guys, I'm just double and sometimes triple knotting them. That is what the crochet hook looks like. And you just loop it, the hair around it. And like this one, I just stuck it in, put the hair in, and then just like did a double knot on it. So easy, so simple. So let me know if you like this series. It's just going to be Stina Tries, where I try different types of hairstyles that I like or I think would be super easy to do. Definitely comment down below if there's any you want me to try. This is what it's looking like right now. And yeah, y'all, this was super easy, super simple. I do have some more wavy hair or wavy crochet hair somewhere in the garage from where we move. So I'm going to find it and I'm going to do another video, a more in-depth video. But you guys, this is how the style came out. It was super easy. It was very natural. The whole weekend, everybody was like, oh my God, we love your hair. It's so pretty. They didn't even know it wasn't mine. So I didn't say nothing. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.